Hi, I'm Varnaz and welcome to Low Carb Keto Recipes and Having Fun. Today I have the recipe for you of a 2-ingredient cracker. Crispy, crunchy and quick and easy to make. Let me show you my little baggie. Here it is. And let me crunch one and taste one and show you. Listen to the crunch. So let's go to my kitchen and let's get cooking. So let's begin with 1 cup of almond flour. Put it into a mixing bowl. 2 teaspoons of xanthan gum. You can't substitute this with psyllium husk. The taste and texture will change. Half a teaspoon of salt, and you can also add some herbs and spices, but I haven't. 4 tablespoons of hot water. Start kneading it and bring it into a dough. The kneading part is really important because that's what glues it all together and brings it together into a nice sheet when you roll it out. Now that I've let it rest for 10 minutes, as usual, putting it between 2 parchment papers and rolling it out really thin. Rolling it out really thin really helps when you're making crackers because this has a tendency to fluff up a bit. So just roll it out thin. Now cut it into the shapes that you desire. You'll get quite a few with this with this dough. And what I'm going to do now is I'm going to take a fork and poke it, gently poke it all over. Of course, I've put it on a cookie sheet, and by poking it, it again helps it not to fluff up and remain as crackers. It's ready to go into the oven at 180 degrees centigrade or 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 14 to 16 minutes. And here we have the perfect keto low carb crackers. Thanks for watching.